Good evening, fellow degenerates. Hi, Blue. Where do we even start? We're straying from our usual format because our internet sucks major donkey. Can't say that on the internet. So we can't do any editing, but we can give you an update. Starting with the Big Saw needs new rubber anti-vibration mounts because after 12 years and cutting probably 100 cords of wood, they're shot. I can't imagine why. The Trailblazer we're sitting in needs upper control arms, one lower control arm bushing, and an alignment, and a tire. The big truck is getting a new clutch and is disassembled for leaf spring surgery, finally. The S10 has been re-registered and runs like shit. We got a new log splitter after repairing the strip drain plug. And what else did we do to that thing? We fixed the strip drain plug. Oh, I bought it with somebody had been operating it for a long time with no rubber in the Lovejoy coupling, but we fixed that. Anyways, yeah, we got a massive pile of wood in the yard and everything's broken. So that's it. That's all I got for you. Sorry if you're hoping for an exciting update video. This is not it. Just like this is not a cigarette. Take care, degenerates.